It can be disheartening when buying or selling a home and finding out on the inspection report that you may have foundation, crawl space, or basement concerns. What if I told you foundation concerns don't have to be roadblocks, just bumps in the road? In this video, we'll give you the information to help expedite the purchase or the sale of your home. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the sales director here at AccuLevel. I've gotten to be around this business my entire life since my parents started in 1996 and been a part of every aspect of this company for the last 8 years I've been working here full time. Buying or selling a home is never a simple task. There are many moving parts to the process. By the end of this video, you will know what steps you can take to help expedite the selling or the buying process when basement, crawl space, or foundation problems are brought up. You may notice some of the signs of foundation, crawl space, or basement issues, like sloped or sagging floors, settling foundation, wood rot, or even mold. These issues should be flagged on the inspection report. It's important to have foundation experts come out to inspect the issues that you're seeing as soon as possible. The expert will be able to see the underlying problems and give you an estimate to move the process forward. As the seller, if you notice any of these issues, you can call an expert before the house goes on the market. This will help expedite the process even quicker and set the buyer at ease. If you have any questions about the foundation, basement, or crawl space issues at a home that you are selling or purchasing, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click Book a Consultation button in the top right corner. Fill out the form and we will contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about the inspection process? If so, leave those in the comment sections below and we would love to help answer those. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We also noticed that about 99% of the people that watch these videos are not subscribed to our channel. So if you could take a quick second, hit that subscribe button, we'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.